spring in Mount Washington Valley, New Hampshire. A season so fresh you can taste it. Join us for adventures in dining, from 5-star to cozy pubs. Extreme adventures like whitewater kayaking, or skiing or hiking into world-famous Tuckerman Ravine. A relaxing adventure on a golf course, or enjoying the arts. Shopping, outlet to boutique, or take in our 50 shades of green spring foliage. With spring pricing on lodging, our getaway adventures are a bargain. So what's your adventure? Find it at springmwv.com.